In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PowerPoint in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through starting from Outlook on the web, jumping into Teams, starting a new chat, inviting the right people, and attaching your PowerPoint so everyone can access it. Begin by signing into your Outlook account in your web browser. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right area of the page. From the menu there, open Microsoft Teams. This switches you into the Teams experience without needing to leave your browser. Inside Teams, create a new conversation by selecting New Chat. This opens a clean message area where you can set up who will receive your presentation. Next, choose Invite so you can add the participants you want to share the file with. In the Invite field, enter the email addresses of the people who should be included. Double check that you're using the addresses tied to their Microsoft accounts, as that ensures they'll have smooth access to the file once it's shared. With your chat now set, move down to the message box at the bottom of the screen. Click the attach icon to add your file. From the options that appear, choose Attach Cloud Files. This is the simplest way to share a single up-to-date copy stored in OneDrive or your team's SharePoint, rather than sending separate copies to everyone. Browse to the folder where your PowerPoint lives, select the presentation you want to upload, and confirm your choice. If you have multiple versions, pick the .ptx file, as it's the most compatible format in Teams and supports features like online viewing and collaborative editing. Click Attach to add the file to your draft message. You'll see it appear as a link within the chat composer. Because it's a cloud link, Teams respects the file's permissions. If someone can't open it later, you may need to adjust sharing in OneDrive to give them view or edit access, depending on what you want them to do. When everything looks good, click Send. Your PowerPoint is now posted in the chat, and participants can open it directly from the message. They can view it in Teams or in the browser, and you'll all be working from the same source file. Quick tips as you wrap up. Use a clear file name so it's easy to spot in the chat, and keep large decks in cloud storage to avoid upload delays. If you prefer the Teams desktop app, the flow is essentially the same. And if you plan to present the deck live, you can open it from the chat and use the built-in presentation controls in Teams for a smooth experience.